here it is. I feel like the time has finally come to let you in on a little secret that'll help you earn some serious cash. Sure, having cool strategies and experience is key, but do you know what's equally important? Motivation. And what's the best way to stay motivated? By setting the right goals that truly matter to you. So today marks the start of our journey to success. I'm going to walk you through the most mind-blowing way to earn thousands of dollars a day.
Wow!
Hey, my rocky traders! It's Evelyn here again. I've been trading for over 4 years now, and currently I'm consistently trading binary options. I've made over $1 million in this market, and I know how to help you achieve the same results. Here on my channel, I uncover the most crucial secrets and share the most profitable strategies. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you could soon be making thousands in just a few minutes, like I do, even if you're an absolute beginner. Oh, and guess what? I share trading signals for free on my Telegram channel. You can confidently earn money by simply copying my trades. All you have to do is follow the link below this video to my channel, and you'll be on your way to making those big dreams come true.
Cool.
All right, it's high time we dive into the goals for our session today. So, my aim is to earn enough for a lavish vacation at a wellness concept hotel. Think spa treatments, healthy dining, fitness activities, and the like. I just want to chill and get pampered with all sorts of massages. I've got my eye on this spot, Borgo Santo Pietro. And hey, who knows? Maybe the next episode will be me broadcasting straight from the top.
Got it? Okay.
Are you already looking forward to that kind of content? Then give this video a like and maybe, just maybe, I'll make that dream a reality. Now, the room I've got my eye on is nearly $4,000 for 3 nights. That's plenty of time to properly unwind and escape the daily grind. Let's budget an additional $750 for the flight, cabs, and all those little extras. So our target, a cool $4,750. Now let's check what's in the account. Oh man, just $4 left? Seriously? Just $4? But no worries, I'm here to show you that I won't let anything stop me. I'm getting to that goal. You know what? I'm even ready to make things a bit trickier for myself. Throughout this session, I'll listen to some soothing music, maybe dim the lights a bit, and light some candles. Let's set the mood, sit back, relax, and test how skilled I am as a trader. Now let's get to the settings. First and foremost, trade time is a swift 1 minute with a candle time frame of 30 seconds, keeping it snappy. Secondly, the currency pairs we're trading, Euro and Swiss franc. We've got the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Euro and US dollar. And our fourth pair, the pound and Japanese yen. And thirdly, my little helpers for today are these 3 indicators: CCI, Keltner channel, and the stochastic oscillator. Settings time. Let's set the Keltner channel with EMA period at 7, ATR period will keep at 7, and multiplier at 1. Styles. Let's change to 2. For CCI, we'll change the period to 7 and the just styles to 2. In the stochastic oscillator, let's put the following settings: 7, 3, 3, and again styles, switching to 2. Now, CCI. This indicator calculates the average price over a specific period and compares it to price changes in a shorter moment. If the curve crosses the -100 value once, it implies the asset is oversold. If it crosses +100, it is overbought. Got that down? Alright, Keltner channel. This one's based on volatility. In the old days, you could rely on a channel breakout. If the graph stepped out of bounds, traders knew it was a signal to buy or sell. But nowadays, the market's getting trickier. So it's best to combine this tool with other indicators, which we're absolutely gonna do. Also, this stochastic oscillator is an indicator designed to determine price momentum. It always changes its direction before a price correction, which helps us forecast market moves. Overall, we've got a terrific trio of indicators that'll have our backs.
Okay.
Now, let's set up a chill vibe. That's going to try to distract us a bit. Lights, candles, and music. Wow. Yeah, this kind of music could put anyone to sleep. Anyway, let's kick off our challenge. Okay. The Aussie and the NZD. The stochastic is signaling a rise in the candlesticks. So we're gonna roll with that. Place the bet. And we confidently pocket the profit. $7, a literal magnificent 7. A great start, but we can't get too comfy, even if the music is trying to force me into meditation. Let's keep going. Judging by the Keltner channel indicator, it looks like we're going bullish. Hit up. A little more. Yep, awesome, $14 in the pocket.
Yes!
Whoa, the market's shooting up like a rocket. Remember the golden rule about timing your trades? Never pick a fight with the market. So what's it gonna be? Yep, betting on a rise. Boom! Our deposit growing to $26. Let's keep the ball rolling. The euro and the dollar. Here I'm expecting a sharp move upwards due to high volume. Alright, brace yourself. Up. Yep, easy. We are up $50. All thanks to our trustly 3 indicators. Check out another awesome strategy that I shared in my other video where I make a whopping $5,031 in just 7 minutes. Wanna be in on the action? Click right here or find the link in the description.
Okay.
First pair of the day. What do we have here? Oh, looks like the trend went downward after reaching its peak. Basically, the price couldn't hold its high and is dropping. Downward we go. Poof! Our account at $96, showing the market just how awesome we are, proving we can make money in any situation. I'm literally on fire. What's happening with the euro and the franc? Nothing out of the ordinary, a reversal from the minimum, so we should be seeing an upward movement. Higher. Boof! And we've got 184 coins in the account. This rhythm's definitely working its magic, but I can't chill just yet. I'll relax later, in style, and on my own terms. Okay, we've got low volatility. Let's analyze the stochastic indicator. Okay, detecting short-term movement. Which direction? That's right, higher. Wow, and we've bumped up $337, but we've got a long way to go, so we need to stay strong. Back to the euro and the dollar. Looks like we're in for an American race. All charts are pointing towards a price drop and the start of a downtrend. So, downward it is. Yeah, brilliant! We've got $640 in the account. And now it's your turn to share. What would you like to earn some cash for? Drop it in the comments and may the force be with you to make your wish come true.
May the force be with you.
The Aussie and NZD. Oh, the CCI says buying is holding steady and the bulls keep moving forward. Hit that button. Just like that. Our profit now sits at $1,229. We're getting closer. Now it's time for the final pushes. Let's see. So the CCI predicts a short-term move upward. You can tell from the buying indicators aligning with the candlestick movements. Placing the bet. Fantastic. $2,149 in the piggy bank. Aren't we lucky to be making money in such a fun and easy way?
I like that a lot.
Now. The pound and the yen. Clearly, we should ride the downward trend from the current peak. Pressing the down button and... Awesome! We are richer by $3,029. Phew! From just $4 to $3,029. Not bad. Whoa! The market is falling. It seems like the bears are taking over and shifting the market's direction, going all in on the drop. Brilliant! Already $3,949. We're so close. We need to clinch the victory and become champions. All eyes on the chart. We have a clear uptrend here since the candlestick is heading towards a previously formed resistance line. So we press higher. The wait is so nerve-wracking. And yes, just simply mind-blowing. We've made $4,869 from $4 to $4,000 in 15 minutes. So cool! And did you notice I was so motivated that out of 13 trades, only one was a down bet. That's what setting the right goals means. Yay, but for real, on my Telegram channel, I trade more calmly and confidently. And guess what? You can join in absolutely for free. Every single one of you. During the live sessions, I'll walk you through step by step how to make trades on binary options. I'll show you the ins and outs of using pocket options, even down to which buttons to press on the platform. I support every participant every day. So you can bet that in just a couple of days you'll get the hang of trading and will make your first bucks, even if you start with zero knowledge. Sure, trading, strategies, signals, indicators might seem complex to some, but honestly it's pretty simple and I will personally help you with it. All you need to do is follow my trades and you'll be able to get results like mine consistently. I'm more than happy to share my experience with people. I'll happily dive with you into the trading world and help you level up your financial game. And now for the sweetest part, of course. Let me hop onto the website, pick the suitable dates and choose a room. There it is, my beauty. Now I click book and voila, vacation, here I come. That's what it's all about.
Yes!
I invite you to try my goal setting method on yet another strategy from one of my other videos, where I go from $10 to $4,566 in just 10 minutes. What a fabulous strategy to make money. Click here or find the link in the description. And in return, you'll make my day by liking and subscribing. Also, invite more friends to my channels because the more of us there are, the larger and more successful our community can be. Bye, my kittens. See you in my cozy Telegram. Love you all. Kisses.